Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mubashir Shigri, UCP student ambassador for Gilgit-Baltistan. I come from the beautiful valley of Gilgit-Baltistan and I'm currently studying business analytics at University of Central Punjab. As a student from a remote area, I understand how difficult it can be to find a good opportunity in education. इसीलिए UCP लाया GB scholarship जिससे 30% ऑफ जो कि फॉर ऑल स्टूडेंट ऑफ गिलगित-बाल्टिस्तान, इसके थ्रू गिलगित-बाल्टिस्तान के जितने भी फीमेल स्टूडेंट हैं उनको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हॉस्टल एकोमोडेशन. UCP not only offered high quality education and experienced faculty, you can also avail different opportunities. Like as a business student, I'm currently working on business project with the help of Takhliq Business Incubator Center. If you're from Gilgit-Baltistan and looking for high quality education and vibrant environment, I recommend you to join UCP and avail the GB scholarship. Yitang ami UCP na jo nga intizar vat nga gamala shokh zare dawat min.